In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Grok rate limit. If you're seeing a rate limit reached message in Grok, don't worry, this simply means you've hit the temporary cap on requests. I'll walk you through what to do right now and how to prevent getting stuck so you can get back to your work quickly. Start by opening Grok, either in your browser or the app, and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If the limit message appears, that confirms the system is protecting resources and is working as intended. The most reliable fix is the automatic reset. On free accounts, the limit typically resets about 24 hours after the moment you last hit it. That clock is rolling from your last attempt, not from midnight, so the best move is to give it time. Repeatedly sending requests won't speed things up and can keep the cooldown active. If you're planning a bigger session later, note the time the message appeared so you know roughly when the window will reopen. Sometimes the message lingers because a session is stuck. A quick refresh can clear that. Fully close the Grok tab or app, reopen it, log back in, and try your request again. This forces a new session and often removes stale state without waiting for the full reset window. If you keep bumping into the limit and need more headroom, open Grok and look for the profile icon at the bottom left. That takes you to your account area where you can see your plan details and usage context. It's a good spot to confirm which plan you're on before making changes. From there, select Upgrade Plan. Upgrading raises your available limits and reduces how often you'll be throttled. Review the plan descriptions carefully so you choose the option that matches your typical workload. If you only hit limits occasionally, you might stick with the free tier and rely on the automatic reset. If you're working on time-sensitive tasks, a higher tier can remove friction and keep your flow uninterrupted. To recap, open Grok, let the automatic reset window pass if you're on the free tier, refresh your session if the message seems stuck, and use the profile area to upgrade when you need more capacity. When in doubt, pause for a bit, then try again with a fresh session. Follow these steps and you'll get past the rate limit the right way without guesswork.